DJI just pulled a wild move, accidentally leaking their own product. Jasper Ellens dropped the bomb on X, pointing out that DJI revealed the Osmo Nano during a Mic 3 promo video for the Own the Moment campaign. The image showed the Nano in full glory, leaving zero mystery behind. Jasper then added fuel to the fire, claiming the release date was actually set for today. Even a YouTuber, while pre-recording a short this morning, assumed launch day had arrived. But wait, it didn't stop there. DJI slipped again, accidentally leaking a second picture of the Osmo Nano online. Now everyone's buzzing. Is this the big drop, or just more chaos? Jasper himself questioned whether today's the real launch, while Igor Bogdanov teased on X, hinting, "There are many interesting things to see at sports events." One thing's for sure, the hype around the Osmo Nano is exploding.
Now let's talk price. The Nano will start at €369 for the 64GB version and $399 for the 128GB version. Conveniently, these match the pricing of the Insta360 GO 3S, putting DJI in direct competition with its biggest rival in the wearable camera game. And yes, leaked listings have already shown up on multiple web shops, so this one's practically confirmed. Here's the kicker. September 10th, 2025. That's the official launch date, so mark your calendars. Will it reach the US? That remains uncertain, especially with DJI's complicated status in the American market. But for the rest of the world, the Osmo Nano could be the mini camera to beat this year. DJI is back in the pocket-sized action game, and honestly, heck yes, we're excited. After the beloved but short-lived DJI Action 2 was discontinued, everyone wondered what would come next. Well, here it is. Even though the DJI logo was carefully hidden in the leaked images, anyone familiar with DJI's design language spotted it instantly. The Osmo Nano is real and it's coming soon. So, what makes this little beast so special? Let's dive in. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is a magnetic main camera module. And this isn't your standard clip-and-go magnet. We're talking magnetic surfaces on almost every side with the ability to switch magnetic polarity. That means filmmakers can mount it in ways we've never seen before, on metal surfaces, accessories, or even using DJI's brand new wearable lanyard system. Flexibility is the name of the game here. The Nano also comes with built-in memory options of 64GB or 128GB, an OLED HD touchscreen for direct control and remote shooting, and lightning fast charging that powers the main camera up to 80% in just 20 minutes. Add in an SD card slot for expandable storage, and it's clear DJI wants this to be a creator's dream tool. Of course, accessories make or break a modular system, and DJI isn't holding back. Expect a clip mount, suction mount, universal GoPro mounts, and that clever magnetic lanyard that lets you wear the camera under your shirt for hands-free POV filming.
DJI Osmo Nano, a wearable, ultra-compact action cam, has leaked, and creators everywhere are buzzing. Woohoo! This isn't just another camera, it's built for people who don't want to fiddle with gear. They just want to live. Heck yes! From the leaks, the Osmo Nano looks more like a magnetized fashion pin than a traditional camera. What? No way! You literally clip it to your shirt, hat, or backpack and boom, you're filming without even thinking about it. But careful, it blends in so well that you might toss it into the laundry by accident. Oh no, that hurts just thinking about it. Here's where it gets awesome. Despite its tiny size, rumors say the Nano packs AI-powered stabilization, a magnetic screen module, and possibly even wireless mic support. A camera this small doing all that? That's ridiculous in the best way. Yes! DJI is clearly going all in on convenience, but wait. The wildest rumor yet, it could sync with DJI drones to give you aerial POV shots. Whoa! Imagine sprinting through the forest while your drone follows overhead and your Osmo Nano captures your expression from below. Dang, you'd literally become your own director without even lifting a finger. Phew! Compared to the bulkier Insta360 GO Ultra, the Osmo Nano feels like the cool, quiet kid who doesn't try too hard but always delivers. The action camera race is heating up like never before. Once dominated by GoPro, the spotlight has shifted as DJI's Osmo Action series stormed onto the scene, redefining what creators can expect from a compact powerhouse. With every release, DJI has upped the game, and the Action 5 Pro cemented its place as a fan favorite. Now, excitement is boiling over for the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6. From whispers in the industry to FCC filings and leaks surfacing online, signs point to a late 2025 launch. But the burning question remains: will the Action 6 unleash the breakthrough creators are craving, or will it be a careful step in DJI's steady climb? DJI leaker Mauro Tandoi posted about DJI Osmo Action 6. He said that the DJI Action 6 model AC006 is compatible with the DJI 30-watt USB-C charger and works in temperatures from -20 degrees to 45 degrees. It offers Wi-Fi with 802.11 ABGN/AC/AX protocols across multiple frequency bands, and supports Bluetooth 5.1 with reliable 2.4 GHz connectivity.
DJI has followed a consistent pattern with its action camera launches, typically arriving in late summer to early fall. The Osmo Action 1 debuted in September 2022, followed by the Osmo Action 4 in August 2023, and then the Osmo Action 5 Pro in September 2024. Given this steady cycle, the most likely launch window for the Osmo Action 6 falls between August and October 2025. Adding fuel to the fire, FCC filings popped up in early 2025 alongside supply chain leaks and prototype photos. All signs point to an announcement as early as late August or September 2025. So yes, mark your calendars, because this summer could be the one where DJI redefines action cameras yet again. These aren't your typical fuzzy low-res leaks either. The photos look sharp, clean, and confident, almost like DJI is teasing us on purpose. Out of nowhere. Can you believe it? These images popped up just as DJI's 180-day FCC confidentiality period expired, a classic sign that something official is brewing behind the scenes. While DJI hasn't said a single word publicly, the visuals scream volumes. From what we can see, the Osmo Action 6 is sticking to the dual-screen setup we've come to love. One screen on the back, one on the front. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want. That design has always been a favorite with vloggers and adventurers who want to stay perfectly in frame without flipping the camera around. That's it. But here's the kicker. What's really got everyone buzzing is the mysterious pill-shaped component tucked right beneath the front screen. Wait, what? It's not a speaker, it's not a button, or at least not one we recognize. Speculation is already running wild. Could it be a new sensor? Maybe some kind of gesture control pad? Or something totally fresh we haven't seen before in an action cam? I didn't see that coming. The suspense is real, and honestly, that unknown element just adds to the hype. Haha! This is getting good. Design-wise, the Osmo Action 6 looks a lot like the Action 5 Pro, which isn't a bad thing at all. That model was praised for its rugged build and crystal-clear visuals, but there are subtle changes, refinements maybe, that suggest DJI isn't just copy-pasting here. Those small tweaks could mean big upgrades, especially for grip, weight, or even thermal control. Come on now, DJI, this better be fire. Because these little details can make a huge difference. Even more interestingly, recent FCC filings confirmed two different battery sizes, 1,770 mAh and 1,500 mAh. Are you serious? This strongly hints at a dual model release, likely a standard and a pro version, something DJI has done before. Smart move. The bigger battery probably powers a premium model packed with extra features and higher performance, while the smaller battery might be for a more compact, budget-friendly version. Let's go! Price-wise, nothing is set in stone yet, but if DJI stays close to the Action 5 lineup pricing, expect something around $329, $399 for the standard and $449, $499 for the Pro. Big W! As with any leak, it's wise to stay a little skeptical.